Hey everybody, this is Josh from Broken Opener Farm, and this is Golf Cart Garage, or holy crap, my golf cart's broken again. Sounds like I got a bad bearing on my right rear wheel. Look at it real quick as I drop you viciously. Anyway, you can also see I got a little bit of wobble there. So I'm gonna pull off and see if I can pull the bearing off. Oh, it's just a loop. Let's see if I see that. Anyway, yeah, it's got a little play in it. So I'm gonna pull it apart and see what I can see real quick. So this is fascinating. The axle shaft is cracked, looks like. So I will be doing some research. I think that's, well, I will see what happens. Y'all better be careful because I might end up welding something. But it's just this pipe here. That, I think, is what is on the other tire. No, it looks, so maybe just the axle is broken and that shaft is supposed to be attached to something. So anyway, I'm gonna do some research because I don't know what I need to replace there. I don't know exactly which part's broken, but it's definitely broken. So yeah, no torque on this tire, so I can see why we wouldn't go anywhere. Anyway, let you know what happens. Back on wall. Well, hey everybody, I'm still working on the golf cart. I had to go get some sockets. So what is happening is the hub is not engaging with the axle. I had to go get a socket to fit. I had to go get a 15/16. It started to come off easy, nice and good once I got the 15/16. I'll show you. Anyway, it started coming off okay. I mean, it moved a good few threads and then just straight locked up. I can't put it back on. I can't take it off. So that's not good. You can see all the mess on the ground from where it was grinded and crap. I think the axle was probably just shot. So my options were a $40 hub or a $400 axle assembly. And it looks like choosing path B, the $400 axle assembly. I hope I have better luck getting that out than this. But I'm gonna have to order some parts and try and get it back in there. I don't want to keep just wrecking on it because I'm not sure what the impact's doing to the internals of the motor and everything. I don't want to just hit it that hard anymore. So I tried heating it with my propane torch. It didn't really help. I mean, if I had a gas axe, I might do something like that. But don't have one, not that good with one. So it is what it is. I guess it's a $400 part. I'm assuming it's probably just all wrecked anyhow from where it's spinning. I don't think there's any splines left on either one of them, or they're just wrecked out enough. So theoretically speaking, all I have to do is pull a clip out, pull the bearing out, and then just use like a hammer puller and just pull up like bearing puller, and it should pull out the whole thing. I do have one, but not here. Again, have to do some work. So that's going to be it for now. Probably have to do a second part when I get some more parts and the puller. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. I know this video is a little bit all over the place, so have fun.
Baby, come on.